Hello! In front of me I've got Doogee X95. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable night light and schedule it, and change its intensity. Then we can enable or disable adaptive brightness. Next, we can change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, and change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, manage lock screen notifications, lock screen message, and enable or disable show lockdown option. In the end, we can hide notch. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.